That one reminds me of Kai, that big boy there.
Yeah.
He does.
Chunker.
He's gonna be big too. Look at those paws.
So they're turning 9 weeks on Monday.
Oh my gosh.
How much did Dad weigh again?
He's just 22 pounds, so I'm really surprised that they're as big as they are.
I feel like this one is as big as Todd.
Yeah.
That one is definitely.
Yeah, he weighs 15 pounds right now.
Okay.
Oh, wow. He's
At
at
9 weeks. Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
That's the one I'm keeping that's licking you right now.
Oh.
The one in that one?
Yeah.
Is she a girl or?
That's a girl.
I
Yeah.
figured.
Bigger than I wanted to, but her temperament is just... She reminds me of Kai too.
She was when they all came out. She just ran up to me and was just like, "Oh, hello."
Look at this beautiful one.
Yeah.
Who are you?
Look at Kai, like, staring.
I made these.
Yeah, good papa.
They're from me a while back.
They really annoy him, so...
Oh, really?
please.
He's like, do you know how many puppies I've had to
He's
deal with
so
in my life?
fast,
See,
yeah.
look at the way she
I
gazes.
know.
Yeah.
And she,
I
you know
like
how
you,
Kai
but
comes
you're
up
so
between
shy.
people's legs?
You're so shy.
He'll
Yep.
like Kai.
He kind of stands in between.
Oh, does she do that?
She does that and she'll just sit or lay down like that and just like gaze.
Oh, hi.
Yes, you are
Yes,
so
always like.
pretty,
Oh, yeah, we
right.
give these big paws right there.
You're so
Oh, yeah.
pretty.
She's smaller. For sure.
Yeah, she's 10 pounds, so she's a full 5 pounds lighter than this guy.
Wow.
Kestrel. Kestrel, that is quite a noise.
Ooh, I love how his dark tail.
Oh, my big boy.
Yeah, their color is going to change really dramatically.